Okay, this product is by Fotowelt AIR. It's a professional wireless microphone system. Comes with a transmitter and a receiver. Let's see what it says around the box. Some of the specs on it are: the transmission is UHF. It has a pickup mode, an omnidirectional microphone. Charging is 5 volts and 1 amp. The battery lasts about 6 hours, and we'll find that out, see how long it lasts. The dimensions are 55 millimeters by 46 millimeters by 15 millimeters. The distance on this is about 100 feet, so that I'm going to test out too to see what the actual range is on this. All right, let's see what's inside. Open it up, that's it. Well, we have the user guide in there, and I know I'll have to look at this thing to get this thing operating. A nice case. I like that. Sturdy. That's a strong case. Very padded. Has one zipper on it. I like the color, the red trim around it. Has a carry handle for it. Let's open it up, see what's inside this. Wow, a lot of stuff. First thing I grab is the USB to C cable. Wrapped up nice and tight. I just want to see how long the charging cable is. Yeah, about 2.5 feet, maybe 3. Okay, and here we have the TRS to TRS camera cable. And what else we have in here? Here, I believe we have our Lavender actual wired microphone. I'll get this thing open here. And this is the 3.5 wired Lavender microphone. Set that over here. Okay, and here we have a phone cable, the TRS to TRRS, and you can tell the difference between the two, and I'm going to show you. So the TRS indicates how many these little bands are on there, and the TRRS has 3 bands on there, 1, 2, and 3, just to give you an idea. And this one is the phone cord. What is in here? Huh, looks like another charging cable. So I get a charging cable for the transmitter and a charging cable for the receiver. That's nice. Very nice. I like that a lot. Here we have a cold shoe. This will be nice. I can use this on my GoPro or my phone adapter. Very good to have. Okay, we'll take a look at this. Let's see here. So this one has the microphone in it. It also has the 3.5 jack on there for hooking up your Lavender wired microphone if you want to use that in that case. Just connect it inside there. And this is wireless, but you can put this on your pocket or on your belt clip, wherever you like. Or you can basically just use the built-in mic. Has your charging port for USB-C. On the bottom is your mode again. It has a little gear on it. And this is your plus and minus for the volume, I'm sure. Over here is your power button. On the front, you'll see it has an LED. I'm going to turn it on. I'm not sure if it has enough power to it. Oh, cool, it does. So as you can see, the microphone is picking up my voice, so it's working. It shows the signal strength. This is the TX, the transmitter, and it's showing me there I'm on the 570.15 megahertz frequency, 13 dBs, the decibels. And it has a protective film on that too, I see, so I'll have to take that off. Has a power button like the other one. This is the receiver. Has the plus and minus on it along with the gear icon on there for getting into the modes. On this side it has the USB-C for charging. Here we have a 3.5 plug for using your headset, and this one is your 3.5 for hooking up to whatever device you want to use. Comes also with a clip like the other one does. Ah, there we go. So that's how it mounts onto the cold shoe. Cool. Very nice. I like this. Can't wait to try it out. Going to make a big difference, I hope, on my audio for doing my videos. Some of the nice features I like about this is it's so tiny and lightweight. It's portable, easy to use and travel with. The rechargeable battery. It has the supporting Type-C charging on it. It also has the inserted microphone on the transmitter, and it can be clipped directly onto your clothes or belt. Included is the Lavender hardwired microphone. The UHF has a longer range and better at performing outdoors and through solid objects. It's well known for its stability and reliability. Also, it has the LED screen on the transmitter and the receiver, which you can check your recordings, channel frequency, dB input volume, monitoring the volume, and your battery status. It's real-time monitoring. So you can set it up and see how it's transmitting before you even start using it. What a great little tool. Okay, I'm going to be running a couple different tests here. My main goal is to see what the quality of the audio and distance I can get on the Fotowelt professional wireless microphone. I have it in the built-in microphone, and I'm going to actually walk away from the camera 25 yards, 50 yards, 75 yards, and 100 yards, and take a signal check each of those distance. And then on the way back, I'm going to hook up the lavalier external microphone and just compare and see if there's any difference between the external one and the external microphone. So here we go, view the footage. So I am walking away from the camera and I'm walking out. I have all these spots marked on my driveway where 25 yards are, and here's 25 yards. How does it sound? I'm hoping this sounds really well. It's a beautiful day. There's a little bit of ambient wind going by, so I don't know if it's going to affect the internal microphone. I'm going to continue on to 50 yards, walking, of course, away from the camera. Here's 50 yards. How does this sound? Testing 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to continue on. Here is 75 yards. How does this sound? Hopefully nice and clear. Testing 1, 2, 3, 75 yards. Continuing on. Here is 100 yards. 100 yards, testing 1, 2, 3 on the Fotowelt professional wireless microphone. It's a built-in mic. So now I'm going to hook up the lavalier external microphone on and with the foam wind dampener, and we're walking back towards the camera. And here is 75 yards. How does this sound? I wonder if it's any better with the external mic versus the internal mic. Again, this is with the Lavender, testing 1, 2, 3. Now we are walking towards 50 yards. Here we are at 50 yards. How does this sound? I can hear and feel the wind blowing quite hard across my face, so hopefully this sounds really good with the external lavalier microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now I'm heading to 25 yards. Walking towards the camera. Beautiful day. Okay, right here is 25 yards. How does this sound? 25 yards, external microphone, lavalier, testing 1, 2, 3, and that concludes our test. And that's my review for the Fotowelt AIR professional wireless microphone. I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 4-star review because of its lightweight, its small, compact, great audio quality. Went out at 100 yards with no problem. The only thing that I have a drawback about it is it only gets about 2.5 to 3 hours of runtime on it, not 5 like it mentioned on the box, at least when I used it. But all in all, it is a great microphone. So if you think the information I gave you was useful or helpful in making the decision to purchase this item or any of the other items on my channel, hey, why don't you give me the thumbs up? And if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget that bell, because that tells you when I got upcoming videos. So this is Captain Mark saying, hey, thank you for watching.